Hey guys, Leif here from iTech Office Technology. Today I'd like to show you how to load paper into the paper trays. It sounds pretty basic, but there's a couple of pointers that is handy to know about. So we're going to have a look at this one. This is the Konica Minolta C308, but they are pretty much the same across the range with the paper trays. So the top two paper trays are standard, and it's quite easy to work out. I say when you load paper, make sure you pull it right out. Don't leave it like that because it's hard to put the paper in. Make sure it's right out. You've got these guides here. If you need to change the size of the paper, you just give that a pinch and pull that right out. You can do the same thing on this side here. You know, just move that right out to whatever size you want. In this case, I'm just going to pull it back there and make sure these are nice and tight around the paper. If it's sitting like that, just slightly off center, that could cause the paper to feed in crooked, and it just doesn't work very well. So make sure it's nice and flush. Just put paper in there. Second paper tray in this case is set up for A3. Again, make sure you pull it all the way out and fill up paper in there. The main one I wanted to talk about is if you have this type of paper tray in the bottom, because in the bottom here this could be just an empty drawer, or you could have a large paper tray like this one here. And this is the PC410, and it holds 2,500 sheets of paper. So you can see it's, and this is for A4 only, or letter size if you're in the US. 2 stacks of paper, and the main thing to note here is when you fill it up on the right hand side, make sure the paper is pushed all the way to the right. You can see, you know, there's a bit of movement in there, and we want to make sure it's to the right. And on the left hand side, we want to make sure it's right to the left. The reason I'm saying this is if you have a look at this one here, this is a sensor to detect the paper and help it go into where it should. So if the paper is sitting slightly, I'll just move this over, and you can see how it's touching the sensor there. If you feed it in like that, you're going to get all sorts of problems, because the machine is going to give out errors that there's paper is not right, and it's not going to work. So make sure it's right to the left, and that no paper is touching this one here. That's the main issue that we have with this paper tray, that yeah, you could have problems if you don't follow my direction. So that's about it about the paper trays.